Okay, hello, fantastic Herzing students. Dr. Stan Reeley here. I just wanted to take a minute to record this very brief video for you with regard to our weekly live chat sessions. Um, I really do want to encourage each of you to participate in these sessions because each week when I hold them, I cover the assignments and discussion questions, and I go into greater detail about what the expectations are, and as far as any kind of specifics regarding the assignment for that particular week. And really, the turnout has not been, uh, let's just say it's been sparse. And really, I've had your classmates who have attended these sessions have commented to me how beneficial these sessions are. I don't let them run long, so I don't intend for them to take up a lot of your time. And I know you're working, and I know that you have other obligations. But if you can tune in each week for as many of these sessions as you can, I guarantee you that you will find them to be helpful to you, particularly with regard to the assignment expectations. Plus, it gives you an opportunity to ask any questions in real time, and I can address those for you. I can listen to any comments or concerns that you might have, and I'm always happy to do that. Kindly note that while I realize these sessions are not mandatory yet, uh, when it comes to the final week of class and I'm looking at the final grades and something might need to be rounded off a little bit, making one letter grade to another, upgrading it, I will remember those of you who were able to come in and join me and keep me company, as the term that I use, in these sessions. Again, not mandatory. I will always send you recordings of these sessions via email. So it is my hope that if you cannot attend the sessions in real time with me and with your classmates, that you'll take a little bit of time and review the recording. Because again, I cover stuff that you really do need to know that will really help for your better understanding of the assignment and how to reply in a more in a way in the discussion forums in a way that will make the conversations even stronger than they currently are. All right, enough said about that. Again, I told you I was going to keep this brief. Thanks so much for your attention, and I will see you on our boards, and hopefully I will see you in the next live chat. Take care, and best to you all. Stay well.